Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm doing a random color and as you can see by the title already, I picked yellow. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna shake the jar so that I get a random color. I've taken out the colors that I've done before so that I don't do them again. And so we're gonna pick a color. Let's see, this one right here. Yellow! We're doing yellow today. Now I have a palette here that has no name. And I'm going to be using one yellow color and we're gonna make it extremely simple and very summer kind of a makeup look, even though it's March and I'm looking outside and it's snow everywhere. We're gonna go for something a little bit more summery, something very easy. And what I'm thinking is taking the yellow color and just applying it to my inner corner and bringing it down just a little bit, just about here, and just keeping it here, dragging it a little bit up in the crease and then a little bit out. And that's the only thing we're doing with yellow. That's it. Now, I don't have a yellow lipstick or yellow mascara or yellow eyeliner, so I'm just going to be putting on a nude lipstick or pinkish nude and black mascara. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner because I want the makeup look of the yellow to speak for itself. So yes, it will be a limited yellow look, but it will be yellow eyeshadow at least. I want to take a flat brush like this one. This is the yellow I'm going for, and I want to say this is like a marigold yellow, or maybe. So I want to take a little bit of that on my brush and just apply it to the inner corners of my eye. So before I put mascara on, I'm going to be curling my lashes. And the mascara I'm using is the Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. So for my lips, I want to be putting on the lip liner, Perfect Lip Liner by Isadora, the 200 Bare Beauty, and it's this shade right here. And then I'm going to be using the Flormar lipstick, Revolution Perfect Lipstick, and it's in the shade RO5, and it looks like this. I then like to sharpen the edges, so I use a brush like this one, and I take some of the lipstick on that brush, and I just go along the edge of my lip. I want to finish this makeup look off by adding some highlighter, and I'm taking Makeup Revolution's Take a Breather, and I'm using this shade right here. I'm taking a big fluffy brush on the big areas and a smaller fluffy brush on the smaller areas. To finish this makeup look off completely, I'm taking Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix setting spray, and I'm spraying that all over my face. This is the finished look. This is what it looks like, and to me this is the kind of makeup look I would expect from a yellow. It's quite subtle but quite bright and nice and happy. So sometimes makeup looks don't have to be over the top and expressive. Sometimes it can just be as subtle as this. So if you like the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now, I post my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!